Hello everyone, a very good morning all of you. Myself Arvind Yadav, your mentor of current affair. Today I will discuss the very important question. Those are chance to ask in UPSC, MPPSC, PPSC and other state PSC as well as central level examination. Before the starting this video, I will say two things. If you want to free PDF, join our Telegram group, and second things, if you like, share and subscribe channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So about me, here is myself Arvind Yadav, and this is my WhatsApp number and this is my Insta ID. And if you want to join the free PDF, join our Telegram group, and this is here to QR code. So let we start the first question. Which union minister has recently launched the Indian semiconductor mission? So here is correct answer is Ashwani Vaishnaw. So about the Ashwani Vaishnaw is IT minister as well as a rail minister and deputy managing ecosystem is also launched, and ISM Dhanbad is launched the exclusive Digital India program. And another fact also added in this video, Home Minister Amit Shah is under Sahkarita Ministry. He is launched the Bharat Darshan Park in Delhi. And another fact also is important in under added in Cabinet Minister Jitendra Singh. He launched the Amrit Grand Challenge program, and these are also fact is also important. And talk about the Rajnath Singh is a defense minister, and Amit Shah is home minister and Sahkarita minister, and Nirmala Sitharaman is defense minister, finance minister. So here is correct answer is Ashwani Vaishnaw is correct answer. So now move to this is about the information technology. Ashwani Vaishnaw is launched the semiconductor mission. So now we move to next question. And recently, which state in High Court has become the country's first paperless court? Here is correct answer is Kerala government. And about the Kerala High Court is a Kochi. Kerala High Court situated in Kerala, and this is launched by Supreme Court Judge D.V. Chandrachadu. And smart courtroom is also or here is, and lawyer will seated in the front of camera and judge is also seated in another way. And same procedure in an OTT platform also been added. And public affair index in 6 public affair index in 6 in Kerala state. And also one other fact in also remember is first heart failure started in Kerala. And Kerala High Court situated in Kochi, and Kerala is a highest literacy state. And here is so here is a correct answer is first paperless court is situated in Kerala. Kerala High Court is in Kochi. So now move to next question. Recently the Indian reading campaign in Padhe Bharat has been started the union minister. Here is correct answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. And Dharmendra Pradhan launched the Padhe Bharat in under target is 100 day in scheme is NPP 2000 models in situated. And also one other fact in added in first multi-modal brain imaging data program. First multi-modal brain imaging data launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh. And also another fact in also remember in fifth Hind Mahasagar Sammelan held in Abu Dhabi. And so here is a correct answer in Dharmendra Pradhan and Nitin Jairam Gadkari is road ministry, and Smriti Irani is a cloth minister. And so here is correct answer in Dharmendra Pradhan. And so now move to next question. Which country has been host the 46th National Mega Mela in Battle of Exercise in recently? So here is correct answer is who has been organized. So here correct is India. And Abhyas Milan 2022 is held in 25 2022 and 46 friend country participated in 46 friend country. And another also fact in remember is aquarium world युद्धाभ्यास exercise is Bharat under which country between? So Bharat, India and Maldives. And another also one fact is remember is BIMSTEC country held in one युद्धाभ्यास is Phanex 21, and this is held in and another fact also remember is 32 after 32 year retire which jahaj. So INS Kukri. And Cambrian petrol 2022 is in gold. And so now move to next question. Who has been Oman in 31-member panel is recently examined the well of increase the legal age of marriage? Here correct answer is Susmita Sen. And Susmita Sen is 31 member. She is Sansad of TMC Trinamool Congress, and he talk about the 18 to 21 year marriage age. And about the one another fact is fact related to Oman, like this first geological survey of India, Oman become the first. Oman is Dhriti Banerjee is correct answer. And after siege become the after 100 years later. And another fact also in Sweden first Oman PM is Mandela Ederson is after 100 years siege siege become the Sweden PM. And another also fact remember in fiction 2022 award 2022 is who has been the Suna Clark. And so now move to, here is correct answer is Susmita Sen. So now move to next question. Which state has recently become the first FEG free smoke free state? So here correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Is this is a work under Ujjwala scheme and Grihini scheme. And another fact also remember in drink from tap he launched by in Puri. And water plus city in Indore. And घर घर जल योजना in Goa. घर घर जल in Goa. So now move to next question, and this is here. And who has been recently given the World CEO Winner of the Year 2022? So here correct answer is Kishore Kumar Edam. is a winner of this award, a winner of the year. And Assam government give the highest award in Ratan Tata, and award is Riva Royal Medal is Architecture by Balakrishnan Desai. Also fact in remember. And now move to next question. Which state has been the first place of open debate and free village recently? Open debate free village recently तो here is correct answer is Telangana government. Telangana is this is a work under Swachh mission Swachh mission 2 and Sushashan another scheme another index also we talk about the Sushashan index in first rank in Gujarat and first UT in Delhi and first small state in Himachal Pradesh. So here is correct answer in Telangana. So now move to next question. Which state government has recently launched the Digital India Life Certificate System of pensioner? So here is correct answer in Odisha. Odisha is situated in eastern coastal area and Odisha state is situated in Jagannath temple and Odisha CM is Naveen Patnaik and Odisha CM is Naveen Patnaik and Governor Ganeshi Lal and Odisha government also launched the Khadi Gramin Udyog Resam in Odisha and street and also launch in street project in Kerala and call your cop in Nagaland. So now move to next question. Which photojournalist has been Mumbai Press Club in Red Lake in Prosterious Marnopant to Danish Siddiqui is correct answer. And you know about the Danish Siddiqui, he during the covering the Afghanistan war in and in the place of this he is awarded in journalist of the year and his wife Frederick Siddiqui is take the prize and young so talk about another interesting fact. Maria Ressa is win the Nobel Prize and another fact related to talk about in 2019 NDTV reporter NDTV TV anchor Ravish Kumar win the Raman Magsaysay Award. Raman Magsaysay Award is Germany and Times Magazine Person of the Year. Times Magazine Person of the Year award win by the Elon Musk. And India age is 1930 and if you talk about the first Indian got the Times Magazine award in 1930, Mahatma Gandhi winner of the first award. And another also fact also remember Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi Bhutan got the first highest civilian award in Bhutan country. And also another fact is remember is Mola Global Enterprises of the Year award is got by the Kumar Mangalam Birla. And so now we move here is correct answer is Danish Siddiqui. And now move to next question. And who has been appointed the chairman of the CEO of Railway Board recently? So here is correct answer is Binay Kumar Tripathi is become the railway chairman. And another fact also in Okomota IM Indian Monetary Fund award got the position in take the position in Geeta Gopinath. And another fact is talk about the UNICEF in New Zealand in Catherine Russell is become. And another fact also is remember is Pemusi State University is Neeli Vedapuri is become. And White House Pramukh head in become the Gautam Raghavan. So here is this question is correct answer is new CM of Vinay Kumar Tripathi. So now move to next question. Bharatiya Tatrakshak who has been recently over the Director General of Indian Coastal Guard. Here is correct answer in PS Pathania. PS Pathania is correct answer. And Indian News is Mohit Jain, and Beijing Olympic Safety Mission Harjinder Kaur. And so now move to next question. India defeated which country win the final under 90 Asian Cup? So here correct answer is India defeated. So here is correct answer in Sri Lanka, and Sri Lanka capital is Srivardhana Jaipur, or he win in Duckworth Lewis under. And test cricket in 600 wicket take by the James Anderson. And cricket Kinara capital is win by the Ravindra Jadeja. Less age debut in Sefali Verma. And 2021 Major Dhyanchand award winner by Mitali Raj. So now move to next question. Who has been recently win the Mr. India Galaxy Award? Miss India Dr. Nikita Sokali. And who is Nikita Somani? And Nikita Sokali is win the award. And now talk about the Femina Miss Grand Award is Mahika. And Syokand Award Haryana. And Miss Earth 2020-21 Rasmi Madhuri. And Miss Trans Global University Shruti Kinara. Miss Trans Global University Shruti Sitara. And 17th Miss Universe Harnaj Sindhu. So here is correct answer is Dr. Nikita Sokali. And now move to next question. In which state right to under campaign started recently? So here is correct answer is in Nagpur. Nagpur situated in Maharashtra district, and Nagpur also known as a Orange City. And Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. Raipur is capital of Chhattisgarh, and Jaipur is capital of Rajasthan. So here correct answer is Nagpur. And right to V Abhiyan, and another also fact is remember IDPPB Water Sport Award Uttarakhand. ITPP Water Sport Award winner by the Uttarakhand. And BBC Sport Personality of the Year. BBC Sport Personality Award winner Emma Raducamma. And junior hockey 2018 winner in Germany. Junior hockey 2018 winner in Germany. And so now move to next question. Vishwa Braille Day is celebrated in 4th January. And talk about the 9 January. 9 January is celebrated in NRI Day. And why we celebrate NRI Day? NRI Day is in our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi come to India in 9 January 1915. And then day is celebrated as a NRI Day. And 12th January is celebrated in Youth Day. Why Youth Day? 12th January is a Youth Day in Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. And 23 January is celebrated 23 January celebrated in Subhash Chandra Bose in Parakram Day. And 4 January is in Braille Day. So here is correct answer is 4 January. And 9 January is NRI Day, and 12 January Youth Day, and 23 is celebrated in Parakram Day. And other fact will also remember, like 12th is Youth Day, 10th January and 10th January is Hindi Day. And 9th is NRI डे या प्रवासी दिवस. and 25 January is voter day. 25 July is अभिभावक दिवस and parents day. 22 July national mango day. 20 July 20 July is moon day. Why moon day? Because Neil Armstrong come to reach this day in 20 July 1969. Neil Armstrong reached the moon, and this day celebrated as a moon day. And 5 July is celebrated in Earth Day, and 22 April is celebrated in Earth Day, and 5 July is Environmental Day. 22 April celebrated as Earth Day, and 22 March celebrated as a Water Day, and 11 July celebrated as a National Demographic Day या जनसंख्या दिवस. 14 November celebrated in Diabetes Day as well as a Children Day, and 26 November celebrated as a Constitution Day and Father of White Revolution Virgin Korean Day, and 10th December celebrated as a 10 December celebrated as a Human Right Day, and Human Right Day, and 22 October celebrated a Foundation Day of United Nations, and 7 April is Foundation of WHO. So now move to next question. Which state has a table of free Hindu temple? So here is correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Here is free Hindu temple. Here correct answer in Karnataka, and Karnataka situated in Karnataka in free Hindu temple. And another fact also remember, in Vishwanath temple in Varanasi, Mahabaleshwar Mandir situated in Tamil Nadu, and Jagannath Mandir situated in Puri, and Kolark Mandir situated in Kolark situated in. So now move to next question. What is the theme of Global Family Day? So here theme is a Global Family Day is one day in peace. And UNICEF, another fact also remember, UNICEF is COP26 meeting in launched by Panchamrit and five policy in given by COP26, and COP26 is our target to 2070 complete the zero carbon emission, and target 2030 to 50% carbon emission in 92 billion. And also fact in remember. So now move to next question. And name of Director General by ITP who has been सशस्त्र सीमा बल बॉर्डर इज फोर्स सेट. तो हियर इज करेक्ट आंसर इज सशस्त्र सीमा बल संजय अरोड़ा इज करेक्ट आंसर, यानी ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. एंड संजय अरोड़ा बिकम द ITBP हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एडिशनल चार्ज ऑफ सशस्त्र सीमा बल, यानी SSB टेक द एडिशनल चार्ज ऑफ संजय अरोड़ा. एंड टॉक अबाउट द ITBP, इंडियन तिब्बत बॉर्डर पुलिस. Indo-Tibet Border Police is also termed as ITBP, and foundation day of ITBP is 22 October 1962, and headquarter is New Delhi, and founder of Government of India. So here is correct answer is Sanjay Arora. So now move to next question. Who has been become the second largest merchant acquisition bank of POC machine is 2 lakh card in sweeping machine in instant. Here is correct answer in Axis Bank. So here is correct answer in Axis Bank. And so thank you for watching this video. Okay, and here I would like to end this session, and you so much guys to watching the video. If you liked and useful, like and share, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon. And thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.